Very occasionally, it may happen that a video won't open correctly in Easy Titles, or maybe it will open, but it's at such a high bitrate that your computer might have trouble playing it. For both situations, we have the same solution: importing the video. When you import a video, instead of just opening it, Easy Titles converts it to a format that it's guaranteed to open. The only requirement is that your computer have the right codec to open that video. In other words, if you can play the video on a media player application, you can import it into Easy Titles. Importing the video also has a few benefits. The video is converted to a format that allows Easy Titles to access specific frames very quickly, making your job faster. It also allows you to hear the audio when playing the video backwards. Let's take a look at how it's done. Here we have a project with a video already open. Suppose we want to import this video instead. We go to Video, Import Video File. It's worth mentioning that Easy Titles is actually going to create a new video file with the AVI extension. You can choose where that file will be saved and change the file name as well, here under File Name. You can also set the import quality and flip the video vertically if necessary. You can see a preview here on the main window. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Import. Easy Titles will show you how much of the video has been processed. You can click Abort to cancel. Whatever's been converted so far will be saved to your computer. Now, you don't need to wait for the entire import process to finish. Suppose we've imported 2% of the video. You can start working on that 2% while Easy Titles continues to import the rest. Just click on Play. Now you can start working normally on the part of the video that's already been imported. You can monitor the progress of the import here on the preview list. If you close Easy Titles before the import is finished, the process will be interrupted, but the unfinished video file will still be available in the destination folder. Finally, a word of caution. In the example you've just seen, the frame rate of the project and of the video were the same. But what happens when they're not? Let's find out. The video we want to import is at 25 FPS. Let's set the project to a different frame rate, say 24 FPS. Now let's try to import the same video. We get this message. The video file frame rate 25 FPS differs from the project's 24 FPS. Then we have a choice. We can either adjust the project settings to select the right frame rate or convert the frame rate of the video itself. But this comes with a warning. Consider converting the frame rate in very few occasions. And there's a good reason for that. When we're subtitling in a professional context, we usually work on the exact same frame rate as the source material, lest we run into some serious sync issues further along. But in the unlikely event that you do need to convert the frame rate, you have that option.